Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a new notebook on the OneNote application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the notebooks icon down below, which is the first option, and then you should select the or tap on the plus icon that you can find at the top of the screen. Now, as you can see, this is the create notebook function. First of all, you need to type in the name. After that, change the color of your notebook. Here you have a vast variety of options. After that, select the location, which is set to OneDrive Personal. If you are done with adding all these information, you should click on the button Create in the middle of the screen, thereby creating your new notebook. As you can see, you can find this at the new section basically, and under that or below you can see the name of your notebook. So if you click on this edit button, then you can select this untitled page that is added to the pages section, and you are ready to delete it or remove it from this list. Here, if you click on the plus icon, you will be able to create new notes, and basically you can also add items by tapping on this check mark icon, and here you can select this edit button and then remove the items that you have added. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.